I grew up in a small town called Doherty up by Mason City, Iowa, on a farm, family farm that's been in the family for over 100 years. As a farmer, you kind of have to go with the flow. The weather doesn't necessarily always cooperate, you don't always get the crop that you're hoping for. Your yield's not always where you want it to be. The market may not be where you want it to be, but you just kind of have to roll with it. And in healthcare, same thing. There's a lot of adjustments and going through the research saying, okay, this is where I'm supposed to go, but this isn't feasible. What's my next option? Learning growing up that you just kind of have to go with the flow and go with what you've got and make the best out of that situation.